Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here to my channel, then I am hoping that you guys stay tuned and hit the subscribe button and become one of my ladies or one of my gents if you're a guy. But yeah, and to all of my OG subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning into my videos and for sticking it up with me. So today's video is going to be a plus size get ready with me video, and I'm going to be doing my makeup, my hair, and showing you guys my outfit. And I'm so excited to do this video because this is my first time doing like a full out get ready with me video. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy. The look that I was going for was like a, you know, fun night out on the town, night out with the girls, or a night out with your boo. Like it's versatile enough, like it's glam enough, and it's like, you know, it's cute, it's nice. So yes, I went with this blue / purple smoky eye because it goes with my dress that has some blue in it. So yeah, enough rambling, let's get on to the video.
So by the way, this video is also a mass collab video with some of my real women of YouTube sisters. We're all doing a plus size get ready with me video, so I will link all of those ladies down below, so make sure you guys go and check out their channel. So what I've done, I have gone ahead and primed my eyes with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and that's just gonna prime my eyes so I can apply my eyeshadow. And now I'm gonna apply my transition color, and I'm using this LA Girl eyeshadow that I got from shopmissay.com, and it's the color Terracotta, and I love using this as a transition color. It works so well as a transition color. And then I'm gonna go in with this palette that I got from my local beauty supply store, and I'm gonna take that blue shade and I'm just gonna apply it all over my lid using my fingers. So once I'm done applying the blue color all over my lids, I'm going to take my Lissy lid palette, and I'm going to take this purple color and I'm going to apply it to the outer V portion of my eye, and I'm also going to bring it into my crease area as well. So just make sure you go ahead and blend this really well. You don't want to see where the two colors meet, so you're just going to go ahead and blend. So once I'm finished doing that, I'm going to highlight my brow bone using this gold eyeshadow pencil. I'm just going to go ahead and color in my brow bone area just to give my brows a little bit more pop. And then after that, I'm making a silly face there. I'm going to line my eyes really quickly using this liquid eyeliner from NYC Cosmetics. And then once I'm done doing that, I'm going to take this silver eyeshadow pencil and put it into the inner corner of my eyes just to brighten up my eyes a little bit. I got these two jumbo pencils from Shop Miss A, by the way, if anybody was interested. So now I'm going to go ahead and prep my face using my LA Girl Pro HD Primer. I got this from my local beauty supply store, and I absolutely love this primer. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply this all over my face. This is just going to help my foundation to sit well. And the foundation that I'm using is the Black Opal Stick Foundation, and I'm in the color Nutmeg, and I absolutely love this foundation. It is my favorite foundation. It's my go-to foundation. It's full coverage and it applies really nicely. So once I'm done blending up my foundation, of course I'm going to highlight my face, and I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, and I'm just going to apply some underneath my eyes and a bit on my chin, and then a little bit to the center of my forehead. And then I'm just going to take this liquid foundation flat brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out. And then of course I'm going to set that concealer in using this pressed powder by Ruby Kisses, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this on top of the concealed areas. And once I'm done doing that, I'm going to let my face bake a little bit. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some mascara, and then I'm also going to add some false lashes to my face so that my eyes pop. And then once I'm done doing that, I'm just going to brush away some of the excess powder from off of my face. And then I'm also going to contour my face as well, and I'm going to be contouring my face with the e.l.f. contour kit in the color Turks and Caicos. And then what I'm going to do after that is apply a bit of that powder I used to set my concealer underneath it, just so the contour pops a little bit more. So then from there, I'm going to start to work on my lips. And at first I thought I wanted to do a nude lip, but you guys will see after that I just was not pleased with the nude lip color. I go ahead and change it after. So after I was done doing this, I just went ahead and buffed everything out of my face, buffed out the harsh lines between the highlight and the contour. And then I'm going to take this pressed powder by Ruby Kisses, and this is like in the color that's close to my skin tone. Now I'm just going to apply this all over my face, and this is just going to help to blend everything together and give me a nice soft tone. And then when I was finished this, I decided I was gonna put this like burgundy red lip pencil over the nude lip, and I really liked the color that it gave off. And then of course we gotta highlight that flakes, gotta get that glow on fleek. So I'm using this Ruby Kisses All Over Glow highlighter, and I'm gonna also add a bit of blush, and this blush is from shopmyslay.com. I really like it. And that is pretty much it for my face, y'all. So now it's time to deal with this crazy hair. So I'm just going to take down my headscarf, and whoo, my hair looks mad. So I'm going to actually put some loose curls or waves into my hair with my curling wand, and this is the Conair curling wand. And I actually lost the footage of me curling my hair like at the back section, so I pretty much just got the front of that section there, and I'm going to work on the other side. So I'm pretty much just taking like medium to large sections and wrapping it around the curling wand. I'm not leaving it on for too long, just a few seconds. And what I like to do is slide the barrel out and hold the curl for a little bit and let it fall. And since I'm taking big sections, it's just going to be loose waves because I just want my hair to have just a bit of a loose wave to it. So that's why I'm taking big sections and not holding it on the barrel for too long. So once I'm done doing that, I'm going to take some of my edge control to fix these edges because they need a little bit of help. So I'm just going to go ahead and slick down my edges so that my hair looks nice and neat. And then I'm just going to fix up my hair a little bit, zhuzh it where it needs to be zhuzhed, fluff it up, give it a little bit of body, give it a little bit of volume, and pretty much just play with it until I get my desired look. So now it's time for the outfit, and since this look is kind of like a going out kind of look, I thought a cute little bodycon dress would be nice to wear. So this is a cute little bodycon dress that I got from Forever 21, and I absolutely love it. So yes, that is it for the look, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed.
So that is it for the get ready with me video. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and any questions, comments, or concerns or video suggestions, please leave them down below in the comment section so I can, you know, make that video for you guys. And do not forget, definitely do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I have another upload. Bye.